Hi guys, Pavel here, welcome to another quick video tutorial. Today I would like to show you how to reduce or completely remove background noise from an audio recording. When you record your voice, together with it there is some other sounds that are being recorded. Maybe your PC is loud, or maybe you live next to a busy street. Every single sound is being recorded depending on your mic, of course, and how sensitive it is. However, it may be pretty annoying later on because people will listen to your voice and also to this background noise. However, there's an easy process in Audacity where we can easily reduce this noise or maybe even completely get rid of it. So before I will show you how to do it, just a quick tip. When you do your recording, do not stop, do not hit the stop button straight away. Just let the recording continue for a few seconds, because you will have a sample of this background noise, and this sample will help the software to distinguish between the background noise and your voice, to separate these two. So I've got like a little recording of rain, so I will to simulate the situation, I will play it from my phone and I will say a few words and show you how to do this process. Hi guys, Pavel here, welcome to another quick video tutorial. Today I will show you how to reduce noise from a recording, and now I will stop talking and just record the background noise. Okay, I think it's enough. So as you can see, my voice was recorded, but also here, if I play it, if you can see on the levels here, it is raining, so to speak. So this is the background noise I want to get rid of. So the first step after recording is to actually let know the software that this is the noise we want to get rid of. So I selected it, and now I go to Effects and Noise Reduction and hit this Get Noise Profile button. So now Audacity knows which is the noise, and then I have to select all track, the whole track, by double clicking it, or you can also press Ctrl and A on Windows and Command and A on Mac. And then again I go to Effects, Noise Reduction, and there are some settings here you can change, but you need to be careful. If you go too high, you may distort the voice itself. So I will leave it as it is. You can change those, and you can preview to see if this noise is there, but I found that the default settings are pretty spot on, so I will not change here anything. And just before I press this OK button, just look at this line, what's gonna happen to it. So as you can see, it's almost flat. There's few little pieces here, but they will not be really people will not be able to hear them, because my voice will be on top of them. So basically that's pretty much the whole process. All I have to do is to delete this bit, and I have got like a really nice recording without any background noise. I hope you have found it useful. Please let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions, and please subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you very much. Bye bye.